Hello, ladies and gentlemen. It's snowing out here, and I know my upload schedule's been a little wacky, but we're gonna try and normalize that. So we're just gonna post this video, and after that, it should be like every 3 days or maybe every Friday. I don't know. You'll find out, I guess, because that's just what's gonna happen. Either way, let's just cut to the purpose of this video. I have an onion in my pocket, and I'm gonna eat this onion. Tastes good. Really good, you know? You know, it kind of tastes like an onion, except a little dry. But, yeah, just want to say hi to everyone. Thanks for watching the videos. I appreciate you. And thank you. Have a good day. Goodbye. Ah! Watch me eat this onion. Yep, no, that didn't work. Do it again. Again. Watch me eat this onion. Guys, I think the onion's down there. On the ground. Onion! There you are, onion! Onion. Yum yum. Random carp.